Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lobster tail in oven. First, thaw your frozen lobster tails completely. This usually takes several hours in the refrigerator. Next, use kitchen shears to cut along the top of the shell, stopping just before the tail fan. Gently open the shell and carefully lift the meat, allowing it to rest on top of the shell. Make a small incision lengthwise down the center of the exposed meat to prepare for even cooking. Now, let's create a simple yet delicious butter glaze for your lobster tails. In a small saucepan, gently melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Stir in 2 finely minced garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, mixing everything thoroughly. Liberally brush this aromatic butter mixture over the exposed lobster meat, ensuring full coverage for maximum flavor. For perfect results, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the prepared lobster tails on a baking sheet, ensuring they are shell side down. Bake them for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting the time based on the thickness of your tails. The lobster is done when the meat turns opaque and firm, reaching an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not overcook, as this can make the meat tough. Once baked, carefully remove the lobster tails from the oven and allow them to rest briefly. Garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a bright lemon wedge for a touch of color and zest. Serve your perfectly cooked lobster tails immediately, perhaps with a small bowl of extra melted butter for dipping. They pair wonderfully with simple sides like steamed asparagus or fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.